Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate pagination into your projects using a pagination class that I wrote. This is what the pagination looks like. These are your pagination links, and you see we've got a nice previous and next buttons. You can integrate this pagination with your projects in less than 3 minutes. I'll show you how. So the first step is to include the pagination class in your project. The second step is to run your query and count the number of results returned by your query. The number of results returned by your query will be used by the pagination class to calculate the last page of your pagination links. And the third step is to create a new instance of the pagination class and pass the number of results returned by your query and the limits or the number of results you want to display per page as parameters. And so what the pagination class will do is it will calculate the offset and the limit for you. The offset tells MySQL how many rows to skip, and the limit tells MySQL how many rows to return per page, or how many rows to return per page. And the fourth step is to get the limit and the offset from the pagination class, and then append the limit and the offset to your SQL statement, and then execute that SQL statement. That will give you a limited number of results. And then to paginate through your results, you're going to get the pagination links from the pagination class, and then display them on your view. Okay.